Lesson 11.
Right hand, session number 1, bars 1 to 4. In the first 4 bars, besides what you already know, all you have to learn are 2 counter motifs, or motives, consisting of 4 notes each. A counter motif is the melodic line that accompanies the motif. Don't forget to pay close attention to your fingering and keep it the same each time you practice. Work on this part until you can play comfortably at least this speed. Keep practicing this session until you really have it down. Then, play along with this next video clip and practice the right hand part while I accompany with the left hand part. Okay, I'll count 4 beats and then go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, go.
A link to the complete practice score is in the description below.